Here at the University of Reading, as part of the AgriFood Training Partnership, we're offering a series of modules on sustainable supply systems. And these will cover everything from production all the way up to retail and the food service sector as well. Through these workshops, you'll be able to get industry experts come in and talk to you, as well as hear about cutting-edge research that's going on in academia. So this will give you both a broad overview of the issues associated with sustainability, as well as delving into some of the deeper issues that might be affecting your own business. So through this, you'll get to cover a series of areas. So looking at the environmental, the economic, the social, and also legislation as well, and how this impacts it. Part 1 of Sustainable Supply Systems will cover the food supply chain from production to processing. The workshops will include presentations by industry experts, site visits, as well as the opportunity to engage with professionals within your sector. These workshops will give you practical knowledge of sustainability within the food sector that you can then apply to your own business. Part 2 of Sustainable Supply Systems covers the food supply chain from manufacturing to retail, covering legal aspects, the integration of sustainability in manufacturing, plus consumer behaviour and attitudes. These workshops are an opportunity to gain practical insights from major manufacturers and national retailers. This is a great opportunity for you to expand your knowledge, whether you are just starting out or have a particular interest in this area. To find out more, visit our website